There you go. Start!
This is my gun. Tell you not to laugh.
Okay.
And she is staring at me. And I don't know why.
Okay, do something.
Yeah. I know. Thank you. She's not cute. With a side of chocolate pudding.
Do something, Aiden.
Tell you to see. Very cool. As you know, she's going to be on the internet.
Pretend we're not even putting on the internet. What would you do?
I would go horse and I would go horse. Because I really love horses.
Other than an outside activity. We're going to have a talent show.
Yeah.
One of you do something.
She first.
Go. It's going to be on.
You do it first. I don't know what to do. For my talent, I break dance badly.
Go. Okay. Stop! Your turn. Yeah. On the show you can, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not correct what I did. Here, I'm finished. What you looking at me for?
Because you're not doing anything. It's been 2 minutes and you haven't done anything silly yet. I got up to your nose.
Now, the second round of... Now, the next round of this is called Bad Dancing. Now,
Bad dancing. Okay.
now, I dance badly, but I'm actually good.
And nice.
Yes.
Go.
Ow, ow.
Do this.
Oh, yeah, this.
Your turn to do bad dancing.
Now
Now we just gotta go get Richard to put this on the internet. Okay.
Okay.